Today, we are announcing the most powerful devices we've ever created to help you do just that. The Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra.
The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in two versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. With everything we do on our phones these days, the display is really important. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. The display is the most vivid and brightest you can find on a smartphone today. It gives great visibility indoors and outdoors. Once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120 Hz display, it's really hard to go back. We're happy to protect the new Note with the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. And Note 20 cameras are designed to live up to these high expectations. They come with one camera on the front and 3 in the back. Ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto. You can get sharp pictures even when the subject is far away, and crisp shots in low light. It's the biggest leap in low light photography in a Galaxy. The bold design is a proud declaration on its own.
Design is a problem-solving process with rational and critical thinking. Samsung design put consumer at the center all the time. We always try to understand their needs and address their problem with a methodized process.
The Mystic Bronze of Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra look the same, feel the same, but they're different materials made with contrasting methods. For the Note 20 Ultra, we etched the glass to create a satin finish. For the Note 20, on the other hand, we applied a special coating onto reinforced polycarbonate to realize the same look and feel. In addition to Mystic Bronze, we settled on Mystic White, Mystic Gray, Mystic Black, and Mystic Green.
The S Pen defines the Note experience. Our engineers have continuously improved and developed it to put more power at your fingertips.
Over the past 9 years, the S Pen has been reimagined as a truly powerful device. So our primary goal was to provide a better feel to the writing and achieved improved recognition. But still, we received feedback saying, I draw a line, but it appears too slowly. It was a perceptive observation that gave us a real jolt. That kind of latency is created as the pen's signal is picked up by the handset, processed by the software, and then finally drawn on the screen. One of many solutions was the AI-based point prediction. We had our system analyze tens of millions of writing and drawing samples, much more than before. Based on this, the device predicts the next expected point of the S Pen. Since the predicted point should be closer to the real next point than the last point, the process can contribute to decreasing the latency. Also, thanks to a doubling of the display's refresh rate to 120 Hz, the Note 20 screen now shows the data from the S Pen twice as frequently as the Note 10. In the end, we reduced the latency to 9 milliseconds, moving the S Pen one step closer to the natural feeling of writing on paper.
Handwriting on a digital screen was not a common thing 10 years ago, but now it has become a common experience. I think Galaxy Note and S Pen set a kind of new normal.
Finally, Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will be available in 5G models, with LTE models available in selected countries. Pre-orders begins tomorrow.